The core philosophy of Range is to be good stewards of the environment, good stewards for our shareholders. And more, we're realizing that emissions is central to that interest. And ultimately, our goal is zero emissions, meaning that if we have any points of emission, we've got additional opportunity to pursue and more work to be done. Range has taken a decidedly different approach from some of our peers in that we really focused inwardly and examined all facets of our activity. That has resulted in, over the past 3 years, a 70% reduction in our leak ratio. We're producing natural gas in a more environmentally responsible and efficient way, which in the end is in the best interest of the Range shareholder.
I'm Dean Schober. I'm a district production manager. I oversee all operations throughout the field. One of the biggest things that I am impressed with the evolution of our industry is the magnitude of the field growth. But during that growth, we were able to do it with safety in mind, a reduction of emissions in mind. As far as technology in the field, the improvements have been the way we measure the gas, the remote operations that we have possible. We have now a control room that monitors 24/7 in the field. They can see a lot of the telemetry that we have out, different parameters as far as high tanks, low tanks, tank venting, which is important for our reduction of our emissions.
I manage a group of people that go out and do our environmental inspections, our leak detection program. Our leak detection and repair program consists of inspections on all of our well sites. We go out with a FLIR camera, which is forward-looking infrared, and we scan all of the equipment. Our goal when we started was to reduce our emissions. Our biggest problem was our thief hatches on top of our tanks. We've gone through different designs. We've had our facilities engineers involved, and they have come up and helped design a new thief hatch that is leak tight.
Every time you open the hatch or the cover, that was a major potential source of emissions. And so we transitioned to a remote level detection system. Then other more simplistic measures have significantly reduced emissions potential. One of those is changing the color of the tanks here in Southwest PA from the traditional dark green to a white tank.
We're implementing our white tanks that are behind me throughout Pennsylvania and our liquid-rich areas. Our staff has done some research, and we have found out that the white tanks will not heat up as much as a darker color, and therefore it reduces the emissions. We will get to our goal with zero emissions by engineering new technologies and researching the best technologies out there.
There is a continuous evolution, and we will never be done evolving, looking for the best solutions to reach our target.
The team has a proven track record of achieving objectives, and I'm confident that by using newly developed technology, by working with vendors to produce new technology, we will be able to achieve that goal at some point in the foreseeable future.